Last time on Sailing Soulianis, after making our longest passage yet,
we've only been on the boat for about 12 hours. After 25 days, we will be insane, no?
We can still see land.
We completed our 3-week shakedown cruise of Lake Michigan and talked about our plans for heading south.
We decided to head to the Gulf via the ditch. Is what they call it.
Sounds so inviting. Okay, what else do you want? I'm gonna make fried eggs and toast.
That sounds pretty good.
How long were you filming me?
Just for a minute, I didn't get the best part. Hey, show me all the lights over there.
You didn't get the eggs. We've got mushrooms I can make. Oh, we're gonna have fried eggs. The lights.
Show me all the lights.
Lights. All the lights. We have so many lights. It's a red light. Or it's a white light.
Oh yeah.
And then we've got this little guy over here that lights up our messy kitchen drawer.
Which is not yet finished.
Which is not finished. It will have a shelf on top.
What's the best part of all these lights?
They use 1/20th of the energy that they used to use. So I can leave all of these lights on all day long. Just kidding, I wouldn't do that. This one here is awesome because it has club mode.
Club mode. These are the bulbs that won the LED bulb bracket. The six
There's
different
a bulb bracket, like March Madness?
Yeah,
or?
like the 6 different bulbs that we tried. These ones were the best. These are encased in glass. They're weather sealed, which is nice because a lot of the other ones were not. These were the other bulbs that we liked the color of. These guys are the GRV LEDs, and these ones are the Konuao. It's all Chinese to me and to everyone else because they're both Chinese. These are significantly cheaper, but as you can see, the project board that the LEDs are soldered to is just exposed to the elements. So while these are slightly more efficient, these felt like they were higher quality and were going to be better for use on a boat. So we're going to go replace these in the V-berth. Ah! Don't burn the toast. Is it good?
Perfect.
All right. Hello!
Our friends Devon and Jess dropped by one afternoon with their son Cato to see the boat.
Chip. Get back on the bench so you can give him a chip.
Thank you.
Oh.
I did it.
Oh, you did it. All right.
He's coming up, Devon.
Coming up. I do that again.
He's coming.
Got him.
Did you have fun?
Now, back in our home port of Racine, we had a little over a month until starting our journey down the river.
Can you go pick me some basil
Yeah.
from the pot?
We are going to make some caprese sandwiches with our marina grown basil, fresh mozzarella. It's gonna be freaking awesome. I'm so stoked. Hey Bruce.
Hey, Bruce.
These are the Army Corps of Engineer charts that I was telling you about.
Oh yeah, for the
Upper Mississippi, the Ohio, and the Tennessee River. Yeah, they're like mile by mile.
yeah.
They're super
fantastic.
ultra detailed. I also got great loop overview.
Oh cool.
Showing you what seasons are best to go each way and various routes that you can take and everything.
Do you think you're going this year, or are you gonna go next year?
I'd like to go this year. It doesn't
Yeah.
matter whether or not I can get the boat ready. But they show you all the various locks, and you got a heck of a lot of locks that you have to go through.
the outboard motor that we got with our dinghy up in Charlevoix wasn't running. The first thing I did was make sure the outboard had fresh gas. That didn't seem to do the trick. So next up, I replaced the spark plug.
Thank you.
It still wouldn't start.
Oh yeah, look at that. That screw's way loose.
Having never worked on an outboard engine before, I didn't really know what I was doing. After taking apart the carburetor under the guidance of some helpful boat friends,
Holy cow.
What happened there?
I ended up putting it back together with the screws on the wrong side. I only realized this after tightening it up and the carburetor was still shaking around.
Put this thing back together upside down and just didn't even think about it.
Can't believe you did that. I've never done anything like that.
That would have been bad, losing the whole carburetor as soon as you start the engine. Alright, well that looks a little better.
That's not sailing.
Oh, I know.
That looks like work.
It is work. But it means we can sail. So.
So intent.
In the zone, Kirk, in the zone.
Once I got the motor all back together, it was time to throw it in the water and start it up.
Cool. If I walk this over there, can you just hang on to it by the dock?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dinghy motor launch day.
Yeah. And then it goes under the dock. All right.
Is Bruce saying about going backwards?
You just go like this.
Can you show me its speeds?
Its speeds, we can run either in turtle mode or in rabbit mode.
No neutral, no reverse.
No nothing. This is a no frills engine here. No, it's not gonna start. It started right up last time.
Oh!
Alright, here, let go. Can I have the oars just in case?
In case you float away?
Well, just in case I can't get it started or it dies.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, I'll grab you. Yes! Oh! Ah, right into the dock!
How cool is this?
We have a car! See you later! Uh-oh. That's why he wanted the oars. Oh no!
Hey, can you still grab me?
Oh, we got it. You got it started. What happened?
I starved it of fuel because I realized I didn't have the vent open because it was still all duct taped down. And so when I pulled that off, then it started.
Cool.
It was pretty sweet. We have a car again.
Yes, we do.
What you got there?
A jacket. Yes! Now I can sail at night without being cold.
Wow, that looks pretty nice.
Yeah. Look at this. We got one layer here. And then you got another layer covering the zipper there. Just to make sure you don't get wet. It's a West Marine women's third reef jacket, which is their coastal cruising jacket. I feel like we'll probably be fine for at least the next couple years, given that our plans are just going to be sailing in the Caribbean.
We're not going offshore.
No, we're not going offshore. So this tag, you probably can't see, is pretty worn. It's from last year, so we got it at an awesome discount. And it covers your butt. Are you ready?
I think we're ready.
Alright, so
I think that boat just has a lot of weight up in the bow.
which one?
The other turn 37, it looks like it's sitting really high.
Oh, over here?
Yeah. There's some wind over here today.
Oh, happy dinghy launch day.
Dinghy launch day.
I do love cheese curds. Okay, so fuel switch open.
Yes.
It's on start, on,
Yep.
ready?
And the last few times when it's been warmed up, I've had to put it just above start. But yeah, try it right now. Okay, you're going. Okay. There you go. A little slower. Because I'm pretty heavy up here.
Kirk, why are we spinning in circles? I'm just trying to go backwards.
I don't think you know what you're doing.
I'm just trying to go backwards.
Alright. Once we spin around, I'll make us go forward. Okay. We got that done.
Why couldn't I make us go backwards?
I don't know. You needed to point it backwards. You were pointing it slightly in a circle.
Try it again.
Try going backwards again?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
Where are you trying to go backwards to?
Okay. Not in a circle, but okay, you gotta get a little momentum.
Yeah. Nice job.
Yay, backwards!
Okay. Alright. I don't know if this is a good idea to let you drive after a double shot of
Crown Royal.
Crown Royal. Woo! That water is cold. That one?
That's the boat that Linda loved, Esmeralda.
What do you think about dinghy life?
Having the dinghy already inflated and ready to go. Like, if we had to actually pump up that kayak every single time we wanted to get from our boat to the dock, that would have sucked. We would have never left our boat.
Yeah.
So, thank you, David and Cheryl, for this awesome little dinghy. No?
No, you get us going to, because you can't really steer once it's
Okay.
off. Okay. I guess now you're rowing.
I get some rowing.
How are you on working those oars there?
Fantastic. Look at this. Right into the dock.
Nice.